I'm Dr. Vishakha. Do you know science behind aging? It is caused mainly due to two factors: internal aging and external aging. External aging is caused due to factors like UV radiation, pollution, lifestyle choices like smoking, diet. This leads to oxidative stress and even collagen breakdown in our body. Internal aging, on the other hand, is determined by our genetics and natural biological process. Over the period of time, it is natural for our skin to lose elastin and collagen, leading to fine line, wrinkles and sagging. Here is where Ayurveda comes into picture. We certainly cannot stop the natural clock, but we can definitely slow it down with the wisdom of Ayurveda. At Herbal Wellness, our expert Ayurvedic doctors have developed a signature treatment called as Soundarya that is specially targeted towards internal and external aging. Enroll yourself in Soundarya program and experience the timeless beauty care of Ayurveda at Herbal Wellness Center today.